I never learned the natural process of eye contact, when to hold it and when to look away. Sometimes I look too long at people. Yesterday, I had to stare down with a stranger until his girlfriend said hi to me to break the tension. Well, the idea is not to try to intimidate guys or give them a pissed off look. It's just making eye contact, not with an angry look on your face. And you could, if you come across a guy that's an alpha and you make mutual eye contact, just a nod of the head is just like a respect from one dude to another is all you have to do. Don't have an angry look on your face and stare down at some big bulky guy, because that's like challenging a silverback. It's like you're not there to intimidate people. You're just there to look at them, and you could smile back or have a little grin on your face. It's not a big deal, but you're not trying to intimidate people. It's not a staring contest. It's just that you look where you want to look, and you look away when you want to look away. He says, I don't want to do eye contact overkill, but I fucking hate looking to the side first. How do I manage this with strangers? Again, it's like repetition's the mother of skill. You're going to have to practice it. It's not a staring contest, and you don't want to have an angry look on your face, because you have an angry look in your face and you stare down dudes, they're going to think that you're challenging them. It's just a matter of fact, as you're just kind of looking around and you make eye contact with a guy. Typically with that, when you don't look away, the other guy will typically nod his head to you out of a sign of respect. And so if you feel any tension, like the guy's getting a little irritated, just give him a little tip with your head, just saying it's like a sign of respect from one alpha to another, one silverback to another silverback.